Are we going to see in 2024 exactly what we saw in 2007 and 8 during the Great Recession, where home values plummeted in value? Well, that's what the news likes to tell us right now. They definitely love to instill fear. What I did was I wanted to pull some data to see if they're right and pass that to you so you can make a decision on whether real estate's going to crash or maybe it's going to be resilient going into 2024. So if you look here, these are the most credible sources that gauge what home values are doing. And as you can see here in February of this year, every single month shows positive numbers. This represents the rate in which home values have been increasing in value. Now, how is that even possible? If interest rates are at 23-year highs right now, there's no way that people can afford homes at rates in the sevens and the eights. Well, the data shows us that home values are continuing to rise. Right now, we're pacing for about 6 to 8% increase in value in 2023. How is that possible? So let's dive into the inventory. So, why this market is so different than the Great Recession. During the Great Recession, there was a surplus of inventory. Builders were building homes everywhere. We had about 4 million homes available for sale in 2007. Now, look what happened over all those years leading up to 2023. There's been a big drop of homes available for sale. Why is that? Builders have been reluctant to build because they were scared of what happened during the recession. Meanwhile, during this time, we have a much bigger buyer pool in that of the millennials. It represents about 2/3 of first time homebuyers right now. So we have more demand and a lot less supply. As of 2023, average inventory is about 1.1 million homes available for sale in the entire US. So let's go into the population. Now, if you look at in 2007, there were about 300 million people in the US. And remember, there were 4 million homes available for sale. So population has increased about 30 million people since 2007. But remember, inventory has dropped substantially. So now we have way more people competing for less homes available for sale. I love this one right here. So many remember, and we have PTSD from what happened in the Great Recession. What happened after that? We saw a huge down spike in values of homes. But let's look at what happened historically. Look at 1943 to 1947. Huge abnormal years of home appreciation. Look what happened after that. No crash, just a normal market. Same thing, 74 to 79. Big abnormal years. What happened after that? Normal market. 2007 through 11 was an abnormal time. And again, it was way too much supply, not enough demand. People can get mortgages if they had a pulse. They didn't really have to qualify. You could buy a house with zero down payment. All those days are done. So now we're coming through the pandemic years. As we know, home values went up dramatically. Why? Interest rates were at historical lows. So we're predicting all that we've seen in history is just to go back to a normal market going in the next coming years. Existing inventory. Let's dive a little deeper into that. So there's 1.1 million homes available for sale. However, what they don't tell you is 431,000 of those 1.1 are homes under contract, meaning a buyer has made an offer on a home, their contract has been accepted, so they're buying that home. So it's not really an available home for sale. So truly of that 1.1, we're hovering in like the high 600,000s of homes available for sale in the entire US. All right, so guys, listen, I'm going to continue to get this information out there. Please follow, share. If you like this information, please let me know. Comment. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? Based on the data, which the data does not lie, it shows us that real estate is going to stay strong in 2024.